And there it is, everyone. As you can clearly see, we've just scored a 12 months PS Plus membership, completely free of charge. Make sure you stick around and watch this entire video so you can follow each step I took to make it happen. First things first, open up your browser and head over to a site called bonzo-code.com. Double check the spelling so you don't accidentally land on a different page. Once you're on the site, you'll see there are tons of different gift codes available, all totally free. And they're always adding fresh codes every week. We're after a 12-month PS Plus membership today, so let's go ahead and locate that option. Here it is. Tap on it to move forward. The next page, you'll notice it says we can grab a free 12 months PS Plus membership. Now go ahead and select the membership you want and hit the Show Coupon button. At this stage, the code is hidden. You'll need to unlock it before you can use it. Press the Unlock Code button and give it a moment while the system works in the background. Now here's where you'll need to complete 2 quick tasks to access the full code. It's super simple. Just follow along with me step by step. What you need to do is download and open any 2 of the listed apps and make sure you keep each one running for at least 30 seconds. Every offer has its own instructions, so read them carefully and follow exactly what it says. Otherwise, the process won't go through. Let's go ahead and complete one of these offers now, and we'll be sure to do everything properly. I'll speed this part up a bit since it can take a few minutes to finish up. After you've downloaded an app, open it up and let it run just like the instructions say. This part is crucial. Always make sure to follow the steps correctly so your code gets unlocked. You can skip ahead if you like since this step may take a bit, or you can just stay with me. And now, as you can see, we've successfully completed one of the offers. Let's exit out of that and go back to the verification screen. Now reload the page and wait for it to update. And there it is. The code section is now fully unlocked. Let's scroll down to see the code we've been waiting for. Here it is. Click on Show Coupon. As you can see, the full code is now visible and ready to use. The final step is to redeem it. Head over to the PlayStation Store redeem page. I'll drop that link in the comments for easy access. Alright, now let's enter the code. I'll type it in slowly. P6R5T3F6A3D6. Let me just double check it real quick. Okay, looks perfect. Now let's hit redeem and see what happens. And just like that, we've successfully redeemed a 12 months PS Plus membership, 100% free. That's the full method I used to get mine using the bonzo-code.com site. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Go try it yourself and enjoy.